If you love innovative tools that make every job easier, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing tools that will take your projects to the next level. From powerful mini chainsaws to automatic soldering guns, these gadgets are game changers. Let's get started.
Number 1. The Fantic W10 Apex Mini Chainsaw redefines efficiency with every cut, delivering a faster, smoother, and effortless experience. Powered by an aerospace-grade brushless motor, it drives a robust 8,660 alloy steel chain that cuts 30% faster and lasts twice as long as standard chainsaws. Its powerful 2,500 mAh battery with Type-C fast charging means a quick 30-minute charge gets you back to work, letting you slice through up to 135 pieces of 2-inch pine in one go. The high-definition LED screen keeps you in complete control by displaying battery life and speed settings in real time, while 3 adjustable speed levels let you fine-tune performance to suit any project. Weighing only 2.58 pounds, this chainsaw is 30% lighter than most, allowing for effortless, one-handed operation. The built-in LED light ensures safe work in low-light conditions, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your cutting game today. Number 2. The Greenworks 24-volt mini circular cutoff saw kit brings professional-level performance in a compact cordless design perfect for various materials. Its brushless motor spins up to 20,000 RPM for powerful, precise cuts on metal, tile, plastic, drywall, and more. The efficient 24-volt lithium-ion battery delivers 20% more power and 35% longer runtime compared to 20 volts alternatives, ensuring fade-free performance with every charge. Weighing only 1.6 pounds without the battery, it's ideal for tight spaces, overhead work, and one-handed operation. Versatility is at its core as this mini circular saw accepts 3-inch bonded, diamond, or carbide wheels to suit a range of cutting tasks. A built-in LED light and adjustable depth guard enhance visibility, cutting control, and user protection. Experience unmatched precision and efficiency with this innovative cutting tool. Transform your projects with ultimate precision. Number 3. The Stucco cordless tile vibration tool makes tile installation effortless and precise. With powerful suction that holds tiles over 130 pounds, this tool secures even large tiles up to 59 by 59 inches, ensuring they stay perfectly in place throughout your project. The package includes two 22-volt high-capacity batteries that provide 4 to 6 hours of continuous work, letting you charge one battery while the tool is in use. It means you never have to pause a big job, as a full charge takes only 2 hours. The device features 5 adjustable speed settings, up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, so you can easily fine-tune vibration levels based on tile size and concrete thickness. The smart digital display shows the current vibration frequency, ensuring precise control during installation. Its wireless design allows for one-handed operation, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals who want faster, cleaner, and more consistent results. Number 4. Experience precision and efficiency in your construction projects with the electric wall chaser that expertly cuts grooves in cement, sand, and brick. Equipped with 2 wear-resistant carbide blade options of 25 mm or 35 mm, this powerful 110 volts machine makes a single cut count. Its heavy-duty rotating shaft and high-grade aluminum alloy shell ensure durability and smooth operation. Powered by a robust 1100-watt copper motor running at 2,000 RPM, the machine features cooling vents and air intakes to prevent overheating during demanding tasks. Enjoy a dust-free workspace by connecting a vacuum cleaner to the sealed port, while the adjustable cutting depth between 15 mm and 30 mm lets you tailor each cut precisely. An anti-lock switch, wear-resistant rollers, and an ergonomic non-slip handle guarantee secure handling and smart operation. A 3-meter power cord extends your reach for greater workspace flexibility, making this chaser ideal for plumbers, electricians, and professionals. Transform your projects with lasting reliability. Number 5. Lazyland's 17-volt brushless power drill cordless makes every project simpler and more efficient. Its powerful 17-volt motor produces a maximum torque of 55 Newton meters, delivering outstanding performance for drilling, driving, and other tasks. With 2 variable speed settings and 20+1 adjustable torque options, you have precise control to match the material and job, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, from home improvement projects to professional workshops. The included 1,500 mAh lithium battery provides stable and consistent power, while the fast charger ensures that downtime is minimized. Its ergonomic design, lightweight, and comfortable rubber handle allow for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. An integrated LED work light illuminates your workspace, making it easier to work in dim or poorly lit conditions. This drill offers a balance of power, versatility, and comfort to help you achieve professional results every time. Enjoy superior performance, dependability, and ease with projects. Number 6. Joyous Air Stucco Cement Texture Hopper Sprayer makes applying stucco, mortar, and plaster remarkably simple. Its design features a secure hex nut fitting that holds the handle and bucket firmly in place, ensuring stability during operation. With 4 spraying holes that work with an air compressor, the tool evenly distributes materials for a smooth, professional finish. The handle provides improved control and ease of use, reducing fatigue while delivering consistent results on every project. Pneumatically applied mixtures maintain an ideal water-to-cement ratio, which enhances the overall quality and durability of your work. Whether you are tackling a small repair or a large-scale project, this tool simplifies the plastering process, saving you time and effort while ensuring a neat result. Experience professional results and effortless application every time you work every day. This innovative tool brings speed and simplicity to projects, making it an indispensable asset for home and professional use. Number 7. The Electric Pipe Threader Set is a high-quality plumbing tool designed for efficiency and durability. Crafted from pure copper, this tool is built to last without easily getting damaged, making it an ideal choice for serious professionals. With a powerful 2,300-watt motor, it saves time by threading pipes quickly and precisely. This set includes 6 different sizes of dies, making it versatile enough to handle pipes ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches in diameter. It features intuitive controls with forward and reverse, along with a locking power switch and a start button for different functions. The ergonomic design with a compact handle reduces fatigue and helps prevent accidental drops during operation. In addition, the carbon brush replacement port allows for easy maintenance. Enjoy a quieter work environment and precise cutting with this electric pipe threader set, conveniently stored in a durable storage box. Number 8. WorkPro 20 volts electric drain auger offers professional performance for clearing clogged pipes with ease. This cordless drain snake runs at up to 560 revolutions per minute, meeting most household clearing needs efficiently. Its lightweight, portable design ensures practicality for various applications, from sinks to toilets and bathtubs. Equipped with a 25-foot flexible cable, it easily reaches deep into pipes ranging from 3/4 inch to 2-inch diameters. The olive-shaped head effectively tackles stubborn clogs in L, S, and U bends. A powerful 20 volts 2.0 Ah rechargeable battery and quick charger provide steady, reliable operation, recharging in about 1 hour for continuous work. The system is designed for easy operation with a forward and reverse lever and variable speed trigger that allow precise control of the cable's feed and rotation. A built-in drain port keeps the drum clean, while integrated LED lights illuminate dark work areas, ensuring a comfortable and efficient cleaning experience. It's a real game changer. Number 9. The automatic soldering gun kit is designed to offer versatile performance for a range of soldering tasks in both home and light industrial settings. With dual heating power options of 100 watt and 120 watt, this kit allows you to choose the ideal heat setting for delicate jobs or more demanding projects. A high-quality ceramic heater ensures consistent, controlled heat delivery, so you achieve precise results every time. The comprehensive kit includes the soldering gun, 5 different soldering tips, soldering flux, tweezers, and an assortment of additional accessories, giving you everything needed to tackle various projects. Its ergonomic design features a comfortable grip and a sturdy base for reliable stability during prolonged use. Running on standard 110-volt power, it is both convenient and dependable. Experience the convenience and efficiency of this outstanding soldering kit that transforms every project into a professional, hassle-free endeavor. Number 10. Experience unmatched cutting performance with the Reciprocating saw, a versatile 20 volts cordless powerhouse designed for precision and durability. Its high-performance motor delivers up to 3,500 SPM for smooth, efficient cutting through wood, metal, PVC pipes, and even tree branches. With two 20 volts 2.0 Ah batteries and a charger included, you get extended runtime for continuous work, whether you're tackling home improvements or professional projects. Rapid tool-free blade changes let you switch among 5 durable blades effortlessly, ensuring you're always ready for the task at hand. The saw's lightweight 3-pound design, shock absorption, and ergonomic non-slip handle provide excellent control and reduce fatigue, making it ideal for users of all skill levels. A safety switch prevents accidental starts, adding an extra layer of confidence during operation. Definitely a must-have for every craftsman. The Reciprocating saw is a reliable and efficient tool to help you finish your projects with ease today.